Guangzhou Electronic Technology Co., Limited, was established in 2001, and we specialize in research and development, manufacturing, and global trade of electronic accessories. Our dedicated management team is all about product marketing, development, manufacturing, and after-sales service. We mainly produce Bluetooth speakers, TWS, computer keyboards, mice, gaming headsets, and computer accessories. Our research and development teams focus on what our customers need, offering a wide range of products and one-stop shopping services to meet global demands. Our sales team is ready to help with design, product samples, order tracking, and everything in between. We keep a close eye on quality to ensure we meet international standards for materials and processes. We treat every customer at order with sincerity, which has helped us quickly expand our presence in Europe, Russia, Ukraine, America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We work with over a dozen agents and collaborate with hundreds of OEM brands. Plus, we have offline stores in the Philippines, Bangladesh, Pakistan, America, Sri Lanka, and Saudi Arabia. At Jedel, we are all about innovation that benefits our customers. Our products reflect our image, quality is at our core, and mutual success is what we aim for. We're committed to delivering great products and creating unique value for our customers for years to come. Looking forward to building win-win partnerships with all our clients. I choose Jedel for Bluetooth speakers, TWS earbuds, computer keyboards, mice, gaming headsets, and computer accessories.